Okay, we're gonna demonstrate the crimper. I've been tuning it for a bit, kind of trying to adjust things, and it seems to be actually pretty repeatable. Here it is. It's got a air cylinder, and then the crimping head is this whole mechanism right here. The terminals are here, they feed in, and they're crimped right in here. I have some wires that are already stripped. Let me see if I can hold the phone and crimp at the same time. All right. There is a crimp. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Come on, zoom. Oh, because I was holding my fingers on the phone itself. Yeah, see? Got the insulation nicely, got rolled in. These are really good dies. And now the challenge, can we do it again? All right. What do we get here? Yeah, look at that. Nicely strained relief, all rolled in well. Looks good.